actions on the rise. Morning wind, a truth that flies. No stage to play the perfect role. I ride alone, but ride whole. Behind me trails a world so loud of liars masked and fake and proud. I seek no crown, I speak no lie, just throttle open to the sky. Ride on, steel sister of flame. Leave the false behind, no shame, no drama, no mask, no need to impress. Just peace, a bike, and the wind's caress. Let the trolls kiss the road I tread. Their karma's coming cold and red. Truth will rise, the fake will fall. I want no part of that world at all. I won't dance for hollow praise. Won't lose my soul in ego's blaze. Their filters crack, their smiles decay, while I ride free and break away. No thirst for likes, no need to please, just thunder roaring through the trees. Let them lie in velvet chains, built on envy, built on games, while I carve mountains, chase the breeze, on honest roads with hearts at ease. Karma waits with sharp and grace, it always smacks the shallow face. Ride on, steel sister of flame. Leave the false behind, no shame, no drama, no mask, no need to impress. Just peace, a bike, and the wind's caress. Let the trolls kiss the road I tread. Their karma's coming cold and red. Truth will rise, the fake will fall. I ride for life, and that's worth all. Steel and silence, stars and sky. Let the liars pass me by. Life's too short to wear a mask. I ride for truth and never ask.